Trigonometric functions. I discussed in the last video how to do sine square, cos square and all. Now I'm dealing with sine cube. So this is make like sine square x into sine x dx. Now sine square x you make 1 minus cos square x sine x dx. Multiply, so you are getting sine x minus integration of cos square x into sine x. This is minus cos x. I'm left with this cos square x into sine x dx. Now while you're doing the integration, you should check this first. Is it a direct formula? Like, is it like sine of x by 2? If it is integration of sine of x by 2, you can make out that this is in the form of x plus b. So this is sine of x by 2 is 1 by 2 into x plus 0. So this is, yes, it is in the form of x plus b. So it's a direct formula basically. So what I mean is, this will be sine of x by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus c. So this 2 will move up, 2 sine x by 2 plus c. So this is the direct thing. So once there is no direct thing over here because this is one is cos, one is sine. So the next check is it done by substitution? Substitution I have already discussed, basically meaning whose differentiation is which one. There is a sine here, there is a cos square here. You can make out that integration of differentiation of cos is minus sine. So what you'll do is cos x you take as t. So minus sine x dx is dt. Already discussed in the previous video. Substitution, you must go with that. So minus sine x dx. So sine x dx is there. I'll make a minus here. This is called balancing. And the minus here, basically multiplying by minus, changing the whole question in terms of t. Cos square x, cos x I have taken as t, so this is t square and this is dt. So this is minus t cube by 3 plus c. Whatever you have t is sine is cos, so this is cos cube x by 3 plus c. Whatever you have got, you can paste minus cos cube x plus c. Finally you got over here minus cos cube x by 3 it was plus c. The same thing is followed for the cos cube. So cos cube is again cos square into cos. This is 1 minus sine square into cos, and the very same thing is cos minus sine square into cos. Integration. Now sine square and cos, sine's derivative is cos, so sine x I'll take as t. Cos x dx is dt. So cos x dx I can wipe out. This is t square dt and this is minus t cube by 3. Now if it is integration of tan cube x or sec cube x, if it is tan cube, this is tan square x into tan x. Now tan square is sec square x minus 1 into tan x. Now this is sec square x into tan x minus integration of tan x. Now sec square x into tan x, this can be written like sec x into tan x, and this is a direct formula log of cos x. Now here sec x into tan x, you can make out that sec x derivative is sec into tan. So I will take sec x as t, then sec x into tan x dx is dt. Change the question. This part is your dt, so this part is your t. So this is t square dt minus whatever you have got. The very same process is for cot cube. I haven't discussed sec cube x. Now I'll be discussing later. Sec cube, you can try with cosec cube by yourself. Go with the book and do not follow the solutions of him, but you can get some idea from him. So it's basically what I discussed was odd powers of sin x, cos x, and so on. It could be sin fifth x also. So whenever I'm having an odd power of sin or cos or tan or something, you have to separate one sin x. It's like this. So if it was sin cube, I was writing sin square into sin. So the process is, if it is odd power of sin or cos or tan, separate one sin or cos or tan. Please join in the next discussion how to deal with the even powers, and once you are done with the even powers, you can do this sin fifth and all quite easily.